So I'm going to show you how to remove the mixer valve. Make sure the water's all turned off, hot and cold. Open this up, you'll be able to get rid of any excess water in the system. Start by getting a really small screwdriver, and literally all you've got to do is pop this little silver cap off that's underneath the mixer handle. Put that to one side. 3mm Allen key, little hole in the bottom. Literally it's not very tight, just loosen it off and literally the handle will come away. And then usually this is just hand tight, you can literally take it off, it's more for show, it keeps it nice and tidy looking. And then next thing, use an adjustable spanner. You'll see there's flat edges on this thread. Get your adjustable, get it nice and tight on there, just crank it off. You're getting rid of, you're taking off this fitting there, and then that is just your cartridge. That is your mixer cartridge. Before you fit the new one, literally just make sure it's all nice and clean, there's no parts of the old seal in place or anything like that. You've got to locate these two lugs and the two lugs that are at the bottom of the tap. You'll feel it, you push it down, it'll drop. It drops into them lugs. So when you put your new valve in, again, you're reversing everything you've done. Put the wider end in first, quite a fine thread. So just locate that down to the bottom. Get your adjustable, tighten that on. Get your chrome collar, tighten that down right to the body so you can't see any more of the brass colour. And then literally get your mixer handle. I've still got the Allen key in the bottom. Literally just tighten it up. Don't have to go crazy, it's only gripping into plastic. Tight into there, and then fit your little white your chrome cover. Push that into the bottom. It's quite a tight fit, so it's nice and flush. And that's your mixer valve done.